Good day everyone. Today we are working on Tecno Camon 11 charging port. We have to replace the charging port. As you can see, the power button is not good. I have to use my tweezer to power the phone on just to confirm the phone is working. And the phone is power on, as you can see. Now we have to remove the downboard so we can fix the charging port. I noticed that the downboard cover is broken, so you have to take it easy. It's very important to check your customer's phone before you open it at all. Most importantly, you have to on the phone, confirm the phone is working before you try to open it. As you can see, the downboard cover is already broken, so you gently remove the downboard, place the phone aside. Now we have to observe the downboard carefully so we can know if there's another thing wrong with the downboard, so we don't just waste time changing the charging port while something else is wrong with the downboard. Just do your visual checkup carefully. But since the downboard is fine, so we go ahead and change the charging port. In some cases I use this method to remove my charging port, which I think is more faster. I have to add extra lead on the old charging port to make the charging port frame get hot. I believe this method is a little bit easier than other methods. As you can see how easy it is just to remove the charging port without hot label. I use the soldering iron to clean the trace part. Now you have to add some little lead to the charging port. That's the new one. Add little lead to it so that it can fix properly on the downboard. Adding this lead will make you to be sure of the connection on the downboard, because some charging ports refuse to solder very well when you install it on the downboard. So make sure I put the lead before installing it on the downboard. In most cases, I do clean the tags of the charging ports, because some are dirty, so I have to clean it before applying the lead. And I put lead also at this area for more reinforcement. And now the charging port is ready to be installed on the downboard. I do that just to make the charging port sit well. Now we are fixing this charging port without using a table or anything, just your soldering only. And now the charging port is fixed, so I have to make sure the pins are well connected. Add some lead to the tags for more reinforcement. Now I have to check the pins, if the pins are well connected. Even though I know it's well connected, I just have to refloat the pins to be 100% sure. Add some paste for clean soldering. And be very careful so you don't damage the pin. And make sure your soldering iron is very pointed. You don't use a blunt soldering iron to do this kind of work. Check the pins one by one to be 100% sure they are well connected. As you can see clearly now, they are well connected. There's no sign of gold color. Seeing gold color means there's not enough lead on the pins, but there's no gold color here. And it's perfectly fixed. have to test the downboard. If the downboard is well connected by inserting a charger, and test the voltage output. Okay, here's my charger. I've put my charger now. I have to test the voltage output to confirm. At least with this, it must give me at least 5 volts, which is the voltage coming from the charger. I have to put something on the cable just for it to stay at one position, avoid dancing around. Now I get my multimeter and test the output voltage. At least I'm supposed to get at least of 5 volts output, and as you can see now, there is 5.09 and 5.02. So now I'm inserting the downboard into the phone. And when you are putting the downboard into the phone, you have to test before you couple it as well, so you can know if there's anything wrong with the phone. If something is wrong with the phone and you did not test before coupling the phone, you have to do double work, so you test before you couple the phone. And the phone is on, and you can see at the top right corner, you see the charging sign. Look at that. There is it right there, it's charging. Work is done. Yeah, you can see the charging sign. We're done. Thank you for watching. Follow my YouTube channel for more videos.